This is a palestrina stitch. It is used for making borders of flower and neck border and the boundaries of heart, and most commonly it is used for writing letters or alphabets. If you want thick design or thick border, take strand like this, and if you want thinner border, just take one strand only. Start from one point. Leave some space and scoop some fabric like this, and see the direction of thread. I am keeping thread in this direction towards me. Like this. After that, keep thread like this. And see this gap. You have to go into this gap. You have just completed first stitch. For next stitch, repeat the same thing. Keep your thread in this direction. After leaving some space, scoop some fabric like this. This is second stitch. I hope you understood the technique. You have to follow the same step.